a welcoming clothing-optional boutique hotel in one of Mexico's most iconic gay beach towns.
Sunset rooftops, playful pool parties, French Mediterranean meets Mexican cuisine, and even a shared room called the Chocolate Box.
If this sounds like your kind of getaway,
Then you're gonna love Men Zipolite. Are you ready?
let's go. We're Andy and Trey for Two Gay Expats, and today we're taking you back to one of our favorite beach towns in the world, Zipolite, on Oaxaca's stunning Pacific coast.
We've been coming here for over 5 years now, and watching this sleepy bohemian beach town grow into an international gay-friendly paradise has been so fun to experience.
And one of the most exciting additions to the scene this season is Men Zipolite, a gay-owned and managed clothing-optional boutique hotel that somehow manages to feel sexy, social, and completely welcoming all at once.
But before we get started, do us a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay travel adventures. Now let's dive in.
Zipolite has always had this free-spirited energy. It's Mexico's first legally recognized nude beach, and it attracts everyone from yogis to backpackers to gay travelers looking for total freedom.
What makes Men Zipolite stand out is that it leans fully into that spirit. It's proudly gay-owned and operated, and it's truly a space where you can just be yourself. No expectations, no judgment, no performance. It's intimate, it's playful, it's relaxed, and somehow still very well executed and elevated.
Men Zipolite is centrally located just a couple blocks back from Playa Zipolite, close enough for early morning beach walks and spontaneous ocean dips, but tucked just off the sand for a little extra privacy and calm.
You're also just steps from La Máxima, the famous gay drag bar right on the beach, which makes late nights very easy and very tempting.
And to get into the main town center, you just pass through a small mangrove path at the end of the street. Totally safe, just something to know your first time.
Once you're in town, everything is there. Restaurants, shops, pharmacies, gyms, beach clubs, and we have full guides to Zipolite that we'll link in the Watch Next section and over on twogayexpats.com/gay-Zipolite.
Let's talk amenities, because they really went above and beyond here.
The ground floor pool sits right beside the restaurant and bar, surrounded by rooms.
Daily happy hour runs from 3 to 5 p.m., and Fridays they host a pool party with DJs, free entry, and drink specials, which explains why we always meet so many people here.
Sundays bring drag brunch energy, and honestly, the rooftop solarium might be our favorite space after the pool area. Perfect for yoga in the morning, sunbathing midday, and we've heard it can be a friendly spot to socialize with fellow guests in the evenings.
They also have a dedicated massage area available by reservation, a great option for unwinding after a beach day or resetting before a big night out. Every room includes a full menu with details on spa services, events, and everything happening around the property.
Practical perks we love: a full water filtration system so the showers feel smoother, backup generator during power outages, free Wi-Fi and parking included, and a multilingual team who speak English, French, and Spanish.
And for our behind-the-scenes moments and playful extras from Men Zipolite and our adventures in the town and famous Playa del Amor, you know where to go. Our Patreon link is down below.
Now, let's talk accommodations. First up, the ground floor standard room for 2 right by the pool. Tons of natural light, open ensuite shower, mini fridge, smart TV, safe work desk, AC, and that easy indoor-outdoor feel Zipolite is famous for. It feels intimate yet thoughtfully designed. Perfect for couples who want to be just steps from the action.
Next, we head upstairs to the one room with 2 double queen beds. This setup is ideal for 4 friends traveling together. It still keeps that intimate aesthetic, but gives everyone breathing space. They also have larger suites that can accommodate 4 with a pull-out sofa.
And now, the Chocolate Box. This is their hostel-style shared room with 12 bunk-style beds and individual lockers. And AC, which in Zipolite is crucial.
Private lockers keep your stuff secure, and the ensuite bathroom has, and yes, we noticed, a double shower.
Heading back downstairs for food and drink, the restaurant and bar is called Cochon Rose, and this is not your typical beachside casual dining situation.
It's French Mediterranean cuisine with a Mexican twist. Open from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m., We made a reservation midweek and it was packed minutes after 7 p.m., so definitely book ahead.
They start us with a complimentary pork pate amuse with mustard that had such a bold flavor burst. We try the mountain salad and chicken milanese. Portions are generous and beautifully plated.
Freshest, crispiest lettuce we've ever had in Zipolite. Stunning lighting at night too. And the owners Sebastian and Juan, along with their team, really create that welcoming energy.
As far as getting here, you can fly into Huatulco, airport code HUX, or Puerto Escondido, airport code PXM, both about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes away by car.
In terms of safety, Zipolite is very safe, relaxed, and welcoming. Just use standard common sense like anywhere.
And of course, don't forget travel insurance. We always use Safety Wing. It's flexible, affordable, and perfect for international travelers. We'll link it below.
Well, that's a wrap on our Men Zipolite gay hotel review. One to add to the travel list? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay travel adventures.
For more gay travel inspiration, head over to our website at 2gayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at 2gayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego.